Lately in the news, we have heard a lot about eyewitnesses and how often they are inaccurate. Misidentification by eyewitnesses plays a role in nearly 75% of the convictions overturned through DNA testing. In supporting our clients, we often find that our eyewitnesses can get it wrong sometimes too. In this week's ITech Insights, we're going to take a look at a little-known tool that was introduced in Windows 7 called the Problem Steps Recorder, or PSR. I am Terry Rossi, Technical Consultant with PICS-iTech, and it's time for another episode of ITech Insights. Anyone who has worked with computers for any length of time has experienced a problem of some sort or another and has gone through the arduous task of trying to relay to technical support personnel exactly what happened when the problem occurred. When trying to explain what your issue is and what you were doing when it occurred, it's easy to leave out little critical details that could be essential for the technician attempting to solve your problem. Luckily, Microsoft has come to the rescue. Starting in Windows 7, Microsoft has included a tool called the Problem Steps Recorder, or PSR for short, which has the ability to record every mouse click and step that you take to enable you to reproduce your problem. Now, before you even call or email tech support, the steps you took, the things you clicked on, and the other applications that were all open are all recorded for the tech support personnel. Let me show you an example. You start the Problem Steps Recorder by clicking on the Start button and then typing PSR. Click on PSR in the results window, and then the recorder will open on your desktop. From there, click on the Start Record button, and from this point forward, the Problem Steps Recorder begins to automatically capture every mouse click and step that you take, including a text description of where you clicked and a picture of the screen during each click. It will not, however, capture what you type, so if that's an important part of your problem, you'll need to annotate it in the tool's Add Comments section. For the purposes of this video, let's pretend that you are getting an error message when trying to open a specific folder. From the Windows Explorer window, we'll locate the folder we're having problems with. In this case, I can get to the C drive, I can get to the Users folder, but when I click on the Administrator folder, I get this permission error. After recording the problem, I can even add comments telling the support person any details that are needed but not recorded, such as the folders with the same problem, others in my office facing the same issue, or anything else pertinent to solving my problem. After the steps are recorded and the comments are entered, we stop the recorder, save the zip file that will later be sent to the support person. I can attach this zip file to an email, and my IT professional will now have a full record of what was done to recreate the problem, complete with screenshots I made each time I clicked the mouse and any additional comments I typed along the way. We encourage you to give the Problem Steps Recorder a try. Your support technician will thank you, and it'll save you a ton of frustration when it comes to being that eyewitness for those annoying support issues. If there are any other topics you'd like us to cover in future ITech Insights, or any other great tools that you think we should share with our viewers, you can send us an email at insights@PICS-iTech.com or visit our website at www.PICS-iTech. From there, you can fan us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, link to us on LinkedIn, and see all of the other great technical tips we provide. As always, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, this is Terry Rossi with PICS-iTech, and that's another episode of ITech Insights in the Game.